I just got home to some packages and I got Xena that Tempur-Pedic memory foam bed from Dog Bed for Less. And here is the cover. I guess it's the, I don't know. And then I got her some chew toys. This is supposed to be like her favorite one she got for Christmas, but oh, it didn't come in a box. It came in a bag. And this is already broken. Oh Lord, they are hard and heavy. And then I had to get me some more earplugs because mine are just worn in for so long. And then I got me a sleep lumbar support pillow for the arch of my back because it is so deep that if I sleep on my back, it hurts so bad. It wakes me up out of my sleep. But, yeah. So that's what I've just gotten. Now I'm going to eat. Just got back from the dentist. I'm tired. And I'm going to give Janette my old AirPods. I haven't even had them a year, just a few months. And then I got me and Kareem a pair, so... because Janette's old ones just stopped working for some reason. And I got some regular ones, but I can't trust her with those, not yet. Alright, I just opened the memory foam, and oh my god, I want to sleep on this. It just forms to your body. Oh, let's see if I make an impression. Oh my god, I can lay straight down on my back. This is what type of bed I need, because I can't, because my arch is so deep. Oh my god. Okay, let's get up. Xena is so spoiled. Okay, so these toys are going back because they are so damn hard. Listen, I'm not going to let her chew on that. And this one's just as hard. But this bed, it comes with 2 different type of materials. This is like a suede. And this is, I don't know, like a couch, sort of. But I like the color, so let's see if we can get her reaction. Come on, Xena. Kennel up. Kennel up. Kennel up. She's like, what is this? What is it, Xena? Oh, that's, come on. She's like, what the heck? This isn't my bed. Come on, Xena. Come on, get up. Get up. Okay, Janette just got her hair did. Turn.
Keep it back full. Nope.
We, like... There you go. Looks gorgeous. You happy?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you, Kareem.
No, to the wrong person.
Oh.
You already told you. And I got a hug, I told you.
Do you want, that's what I was going to ask.
Alright, good night.
This is who did her hair.
Hi guys, Killer Creations.
Texas, man.
Killer Creations out of Baytown, Texas.
There you go. There
She
you
does
go.
it really good. I recommend her.
You guys, when I took the girls to the bus stop this morning, where is she? Now she's over there. I guess this is a Great Dane mixed blue hound or whatever they're called. Blue tick hounds. You hear her crying? She jumped in the back of my car. I put her in the garage, but then she's scratching at my back door. I mean, my garage inside door. She's so sweet and so skinny. And oh my God. I'm going to have more dog scratches on my car. And I can't back up because she keeps circling my car and wants to get in. Okay, she's not behind me. Okay. Just keep watching the back mirror, Elizabeth. Keep watching. Damn it, I think she's in the front. There she is. God damn it. No. Get down. Get down. Oh my God. Stay. Oh. Yep. See, there she goes. And she just cries. And it's like she could open the door almost, so I locked it. Zenas, what does mommy do? I got drool everywhere in the house, all over my pants from these dogs. And I don't know what to do. It's like everybody in the neighborhood knows. Ask Elizabeth. She can't say no. So I'm hoping to, around whatever time normal people get off of work, whenever Kareem comes home, that somebody will notice that their dog is missing and hit me up, because I put my number on that app, on the Nextdoor app, with pictures of her. Don't look at me like that. Zena, you're fat. Why me? I have no idea what to do. It'd be different if she was like Zena, like just fat and lazy like the rest of us in this house, besides Kira. It'd be a lot easier. But she has so much energy because she's a puppy. And Zena almost broke my freaking nail. It hurt so bad, I think it ripped. I need some damn coffee. That's what I really need, is some damn coffee. You're huge, as in tall-wise. Okay, look. Got you to bed. And I got you a toy. Give you something that you want besides my rugs, you know. You're a good girl. Oh, good stretch. Good stretch. Hold on, nice good stretch. What? Look at this. Y'all don't mind the mirror. Kareem cleaned it. See how tall she is? Come here, Zena. Go on, Zena. Look at this. Good. Hop up on his belly. I hope that's water and not pee. Is that water or pee? Can you tell me, girl? She has not been fixed because I don't see a tattoo, but do you see how skinny she is? Like, you can see this is all bone on her spine. This, my hand can fit her stomach and hip. Bones poking out right there. See? Oh, good stretch. You're gonna be huge. I told Kareem if nobody claims her that I would keep her, you know, just train her. Because she loves me more than Zena does, don't you? Oh, she's so sweet too. Yes, this your good girl. You want a bath? Do you want a bath? Okay, let's put you on the leash and take you upstairs. Sit, sit, sit. Good girl, good girl. Good morning, you guys. I'm exhausted. Well, I wake up at 4 every day because Janette has to wake up at 4:30, but we still have her, and she slept in the bed with Janette all night long. I just can't let a dog go at nighttime, especially with it was being cold. She didn't pee or poop in the bedroom at all. I took her outside this morning around 4:45 and she went to the bathroom. Nobody has said anything on the app. Somebody needs to get their dog. I think now she's not Great Dane. She's just probably a blue tick hound. But, I mean, her nails are pretty low shaved. She's potty trained. She knows commands, but only when she has treats in front of her. She goes by Xena's food bowl and then growls at Xena when Xena comes up to it. So that's a definite no. They play well together. I don't ever leave them out there by themselves. I have to be out there, and she's on a leash. Xena's not. And she has a problem with jumping on to putting her front paws on the countertops. Kramer's like, hell no. But somebody's missing their dog and they need to come find her. I can't do it anymore.
Let's go back to that little